Hi everyone. Literally just pulled up to the house. I just got done taking Colby to daycare and I stopped at Lowe's to grab some wood for like a little project I'm doing. So I haven't had a video come out in a couple of weeks because I just haven't done anything. I've been like super unmotivated to do anything and I just want to lay in bed all day and sleep, but I don't know. I haven't done anything, so I haven't had anything to film. But I am working on getting our master bedroom done, and I've been working on that for like 15 years now. So today I'm gonna do some projects, or a project for that, and I figured I would just film it like vlog style. And also I wanted to give you guys an update on the flip house because I haven't actually been able to tell you guys what's going on with that or anything other than the fact that we got another one. Anywho, let's go ahead and get going. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Okay, so I'm out in Marcus's shop because I bought this little piece of plywood from Lowe's for like a sign I want to put above our bed, and we didn't have any like thin plywood, so I just went and bought this. This is like a little project piece that they have like pre-cut out already for you, but it's still too long. I need to shorten it a little bit, so I'm gonna just do that on his table saw really quickly, so that it'll be the correct size that I need. Alright, so while I was waiting for that first coat to dry, I went and I like cut the trim for the like outside of the sign. Oh no. Guys, I think I just got paint on our table and Marcus is literally going to kill me. As I was saying, I went outside, I cut the trim for the border of the sign, and I stained it and sanded it and everything, and I also did a second coat. So now it is like done and I can put my vinyl on and paint the words on there. But first, I'm gonna go get some lunch. Jesus, it is so hot today, like ridiculously hot. Like, it's always hot, obviously, in Texas, but it's like been triple digits for the past 15 weeks hot. Anyway, while I'm on my way to grab lunch, I wanted to kind of give you guys an update on our flip house that we bought. If you saw my other videos, or my like most recent videos, I had told you guys that we put an offer in on a house and they accepted, and so we kind of went into escrow at that point, and our closing date was set for like mid-September. And the reason why it was going to take so long to get the house was because the seller was still living in it, so she asked for like 30 to 45 days to be able to move out and get all her things together and situated. So the seller had told us that she wanted to kind of be out of there by the end of August and not really need to use the whole 45 days, which was awesome for us, obviously. And so she actually had gotten pretty much everything together and was ready to move until the realtor called and told us that the title company had kind of had a little hiccup. So now we're just kind of like waiting on how this is gonna work, just kind of seeing what's gonna happen now. We'll see what happens. Hi. Can I just have a large sweet tea and a small sweet tea?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
Do you need a napkin?
No, it's all right.
I'm so sorry about that.
No problem. Thank you. Okay. If you didn't know already, now you know. I love sweet tea. It has to be good sweet tea though. If it's not good with filtered water, don't give it to me, because it'll make me gag. Well guys, I would be lying if I said I was having fun right now. I cut all of the vinyl for my sign, and I've done this a million times, but when you are making like a stencil, there's like specific vinyl you use, like stencil vinyl, for obvious reasons, like specifically made to make the job much easier. I was all out of stencil vinyl, so I just figured I would just use some like regular removable vinyl as my stencil, because I just figured it was pretty similar, like should work. But I'm quickly finding out that it sucks. And this is not going as planned. And this sign is highly likely to be terrible. All right, there it is. And voila, she is done. So the sign is done. Now that I am sweaty and hot and tired, all I need to do is put like hardware on the back so I can hang it up on the wall. But y'all will see it in its final place whenever I get my bedroom makeover done. So Colby just woke up from a nap and Marcus gets off of work in like 30 minutes. So I guess I gotta make dinner, and I guess that means that's the end of this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Oh my goodness, look at her. Thank y'all so much for watching, and if you liked, make sure you hit like and also subscribe. And until the next one, I hope y'all stay blessed, and I will see y'all soon. Bye.